Here in New York, the food scene is very large, it's very competitive. There's so many great chefs, there's so many great restaurants. Food capital of the world, so when people are coming to your restaurant and they're paying top dollar, they expect the best. So the Kohlrabi dish is a Kohlrabi smoked panna cotta. The dish is traditionally based on a French technique. I think this dish is a representation of my classic French training that I came here with and what I've gained along the way from the Vietnamese and Thai and Asian influence. The caviar brings to the dish the saltiness component and the brininess of the sea, but it also brings a textural component. Truffle really complements the dish in adding a level of sweetness. We use a term called degustation. It's one item prepared several different ways. You have your charred onion puree, you have your pickled onion petals, you have your scallion curls, you have your baby onions that are cooked on the plancha. Basically the entire onion family prepped all different ways, put onto one dish.